namaste, welcome to Greeter. So how are you? I hope you're doing amazing today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading topic is what is coming next week. So what are the energies, what is the guidance for you guys for next week? That is going to be the topic for today. Okay, so for group number 1 we have this red color flower. For group number 2, orange, and for group number 3, blue color. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, take few deep breaths, connect with your higher self, and then select a group that calls to you intuitively. Okay, if you need more time, take your time, pause your video, ground your energy, and then select a pile that calls to you. Okay, and remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless also, so whenever you watch, this reading is for you guys. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, take your time, and the timestamps will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to start with group number 1. My lovelies, if you have chosen this red color flower, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what is coming for you guys next week. So what can you expect? What is the guidance? Okay, so I'm shuffling today on camera. Okay, so let's see. The first card you have is yin and yang. Okay, so 22 number, balance. So it's all about balance this week. So you need to balance your energy. So maybe this week will be very passionate energy for you guys. You will have all the energy to work, so maybe you will not relax. So it's like balance your energies, guys. So if you're very, if you are workaholic, this means that you need to take a break. Okay, so it's important you balance your energies. And with this 22 number, I feel like your angels, your spirit guides, your ancestors, all are around you. They are guiding you, they are sending you messages this week, so keep your eyes open. I am getting this communication also. Maybe for some of you, you will get communication from a person you love, or if you have a crush on someone, maybe you will get this communication, or you might get a clarity that this person likes you back. Oh my god, that was a very specific message for some of you. And maybe it can be a start of a passionate relationship. Yeah, passionate relationship for some of you. If you're married, your love life will be very passionate, so don't try to overdo things. Okay, maybe for some of you it will turn into an obsession. Maybe you will be, so maybe this relationship, like you will be FaceTiming them, calling them. For some of you it's like that. You will not be able to concentrate on your work because you will be concentrated on this relationship of yours. So it's important that you have a balance. Don't overdo things. That is what I feel. Okay, if you are a passionate person, if you have this work idea, if you're passionate about that, maybe you will work, and you will not take breaks. So it's important you take a break this week. Okay, so yes, that's the message I'm receiving. For some of you, it's like your own energies are going to get balanced this week. If you're feeling very chaotic, if you're stressing too much, I feel like things are going to balance for you guys. Okay, there is a balance, and you need to maintain a balance this week for sure. Sometimes we have this energy to do things and we overwork ourselves. Don't do that. So let's see what are the messages for you guys for what is coming next for my group number 1. I just love this deck. I just bought it now, and it's a very beautiful deck. Okay, let's see. So okay, we got 2 cards, so let's take that, and let's take the back of the deck also, the card. Okay, I'm gonna take that also. So let's see what is. Oh wow, Page of Pentacles. Yes, some new ideas, some yeah, 7 of Pentacles, and we have 2 of Pentacles. Interesting, we have 22 number and 2 of Pentacles, like too much on your plate, like 2 things. So maybe there will be an imbalance for you guys. Maybe you will be doing your work, and at the same time you might have a hobby, so you are going to juggle between 2 things this week. Yeah, maybe you have a passion, you have work to do, you have to support your family, you have to cook, you have to do your work, you're trying to do everything by yourself. So it's important you maintain a balance. If you want to take rest, go ahead and take rest. Okay, so that is something very important. For some of you, it's like a new start of something, like you have a passion, you're learning something, at the same time you're doing your work. You are overworking this week, so maybe you will have a tendency to overwork. You will be very passionate, and interestingly you got 3 pentacles. Maybe for some of you it's about your career. You're very passionate about your career. You have this idea, you have this big idea, or you want to learn this course, so you're like, I want to do this. And you like, for some of you, you know, when I was in college, I used to study before exams only, right? So instead of doing that, we can make a schedule and learn, like read for 1 hour a day. Instead, what we do, like before exams, we will just read for that 1 day long, you know, and it's too much sometimes. So don't do that. If you have exams, prepare 1 week before. Don't keep it for the day before, right? So something like that I'm feeling like. So yeah, that's very important. So balance is very important. Scheduling is very important. Organization is very important for you this week, guys. So look, we have 7 of Pentacles. You have been waiting for something. Maybe for some of you, you are waiting a news that is going to come this week. So maybe you are waiting for a message from your crush who is yeah, something like that also. And you will feel very you will be very impatient also this week for some of you. So it's important you have that patience. But I feel like you will receive this message. Okay, if you have been waiting for a message, definitely there is a chance this message, you will receive this message by the end of the week. But don't lose patience. Okay, and yeah, with this Pentacles also, it's important you ground your energy, connect with Mother Earth. And yes, yeah, focus on the material need. You need to focus on this day-to-day things. Maybe have a routine, organization, cleaning your home, cleansing your home. That is important for you guys this week. Okay, and if you're working hard on something, if you're working hard on your passion, yes, it's going to bloom, it's going to grow, but don't overwork. You know, for example, if you plant a tree, if you plant if you plant seeds, we cannot water it like every, we have to have some quantity, right? If we overwater, what happens? The plant will not grow, right? So don't do that. Don't overwater anything. So in balance, everything should be in balance. That is the key for you guys this week. So if you're chatting with someone, everything should be in balance. Don't overdo anything. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so that's what I'm getting for you guys. Let's see what else. Oh my god. Okay, you got 2 cards. Be content. Yeah, be satisfied with what you have. And equality. Treat all people equally. Okay, so maybe it's important that you treat yourself, or maybe this relationship will be very equal. So if you yeah, okay, so that is also, look, we have balance. That is also like divine feminine and divine masculine energy should be balanced, and we have this equality here. And be satisfied. So maybe for some of you, you are perfectionist, you are trying to do things, maybe you don't you judge yourself too much. So don't do that. Be content with what you do, be content with people. So sometimes because of our own perfectionism, we work hard. Maybe you are doing that. Don't do that. Be content. You're doing good, you're doing amazing. Okay, so don't try to be a perfectionist this week. Sometimes we need to be, but maybe you are over perfectionist, or maybe you're earth sign people. I'm getting this Virgo energy very strongly. These Virgos are very much perfectionist. They want everything in check, right? So don't be like that. Okay, be content with what you have. Yeah, try to understand things, try to balance things. And with this equality, what I feel like, it's important you balance your energies. Balance is very important for you guys this week. Don't overdo things. Don't be, it's good to be passionate, it's good to have energy, but at the same time you need to relax also. Or maybe for some of you, you might procrastinate a lot. So that can be also the thing. So it's important you take some action. So it's important to have a balance for you guys this week. Okay, so let's see where's the guidance for my lovelies, for my group number 1. Yeah, a change is coming. Definitely there's a change for you guys this week. Things are changing. For some of you, you have been waiting for something, so you will see a change in there. So if you have been working hard on something, you will see a change, see a growth. That is what I feel. And we have number 3. 3 number is all about expansion, growth, right? So yeah, don't be impatient. Okay, things are changing. Be confident in yourself, in your work. Okay, there is things are changing for you guys. And be content with what you give to the world, right? If you are like working from home, or if you are into craft, if you're video creators, or whatever you do, be content with your work. Don't overjudge yourself. Don't try to be perfectionist. You treat yourself equally. You don't have to be a perfectionist, right? Yeah, resistance. Okay, so you're holding on to something that is not good for you. In order to have this change, you need to let go of certain things that is stopping your success. For some of you are resistance. You're holding on to something. Maybe it's your perfectionism that is you're holding on to. You never get satisfied with your work, so that needs to let go of. Or maybe you're holding on to a person, and this person is hurting you, so you need to make that change. Or maybe it's your own habits that you're holding on to, or maybe it's procrastination that you're holding on to, right? So you need to have balance this week. You will have the energy to work. So if you're procrastinating, this is a message to get out of your bed and start doing the things you want to do. Clean your house if it's possible, arrange your office space. If you have an exam, start preparing from now onwards. Be content with your work, be content with your marks. So whatever, love yourself, okay? And treat yourself also equally, right? Don't compare yourself to anyone else, okay? And don't overdo things for you guys this week. That's the message I received for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. So if you chose this orange flower, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what is coming next for you guys this week. With this orange color, I'm getting this creativity. A lot of creative energy is there for you guys this week. So if you are into creative things, if you want some solutions, creative solutions, you will get this week. So concentrate on your sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra. So maybe for some of you, you're restoring your self-esteem, your confidence this week, finally getting back on track. Also, what is I'm getting, maybe you have lost track for so long, finally you're getting back into track, okay? Maybe you had this hobby of yours that you were doing, but there was a break because of other problems. But what I see for you guys, next week you will be doing that. You will be back into your routine. Something happened that because of that your routine was all messed up, but finally you're back to the routine or something like that, okay? Oh, we have broken heart, yeah. So, and we have the number 9. So yeah, so something has happened last week or maybe in the past, and because of this you were not able to do the things that you always used to do. Maybe you had a routine, maybe you used to exercise, maybe you used to cook every day for yourself, or maybe you used to meditate, and now you're not able to do it. So you're coming back to the routine because of this broken heart. So some sort of disappointments might have happened for you guys, but finally this cycle is ending. So you will be back. That's what I feel like, okay? Energetically, what I feel like, you will be back. You will be energized, okay? And for some of you, I even feel like, I'm sorry if you lost I don't know, a baby or something like that. Maybe abortion happened or something like that. It's a very specific message. Take care of yourself, okay? You will be back, okay? Yeah, I'm feeling maybe because of that your heart got broken and everything messed up. But what I feel like is Archangel Michael is saying that he's supporting you at this time. Yeah, they know that you are going through a very, very tough time of your life. So you will be back into your routine, okay? So I'm getting the thing that practice gratitude. For some of you need to practice more gratitude into your life. Like sometimes it's very easy to see the things that are not working our way, and we don't give thanks for the things that we have already in our life. So yeah, there is a completion here. Maybe for some of you had a very tough time, okay, but recently, but you are overcoming that. Yeah, with the sacral chakra, maybe there is some sort of disappointments, okay, in relationships, in your work, or yeah, something, but you will overcome it, okay? Things are going to get better. Things are getting better, okay? So let's see what else for my group number 2. For my group number 2, what is coming next week? Yeah, magician, look at it. You are going to be back. Yeah, that is what I feel like. You felt like that nothing is, sometimes in life we feel lost. We feel like nothing is going to work my way, nothing will happen. Maybe you were in this kind of energy, feeling very negative about life. You felt like things are not working. I don't have anything. Maybe you were manipulating yourself in a bad way. Sometimes we do that, right? We do that. So, but that is going to change. Okay, that is going to change. Yeah, okay. I'm feeling like for you guys there are some friends who will support you at this point of time. Your friends, your family will support you. They are there for you. They are with you, okay? Your family, your siblings, they will support you. So ask for help also. That is also what I feel like for you guys. If you want rest, just call your friends and ask for help. If you're not able to do things, if you want to rest, ask for help. But you're coming back. Okay? Okay, we got 2 more cards. Yeah, 7 of Wands. And we have, wow, look at that, 6 of Wands. Okay, so there has been some sort of major disappointments, but yeah, this week looks very powerful for you guys. So if you had major disappointments, you're overcoming that disappointments. You're understanding that you have that you have everything that you can make. Yeah, you can make, whatever you want, you can create in your life. You will be given all the resources, okay? And with the 7 of Wands, look at, she's meditating, right? And we have victory here, 6 of Wands. So yeah, you are going to, yeah, the victory for you guys this week is that you are overcoming this thing. I told you, you're getting back into the routine, right? And people will be like appreciating you guys for how strong you are, how fast you overcame this thing. They're going to be very proud of you. Your family, your friends will be very proud of you guys, that you did it in a very nice way, right? Yeah, that's what I feel like. Something happened that took a toll on you, and you came out stronger because of this. And that is what is coming next for you guys. You will be victorious. You will be able to overcome this situation in your life, right? And this situation will make you more stronger. That is what I feel like, okay? And for others, maybe you haven't been recognized for your work, for your efforts, but finally you are getting that recognition, okay? And interesting, you have this orange, and we have this orange color here also. So maybe for some of you, you created something. Maybe you have a business that didn't work, and because of that you were like brokenhearted, and finally your business is going to take off. You're like, I'm going to do it anyways, and I'm going to work hard, and you will get that recognition, that victory. But there is success. You're coming out of this thing, this phase, this week. That's for sure, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm feeling. So work on your sacral chakra if you can, because we have, and meditate, okay? Look, we have the protector. Yeah, Baba is protecting you, Baba will destroy your fear and protect you. You are protected. Your family is protected. Your children are protected, okay? So don't worry about anything right now. You are going to be protected. Your energies are protected. But I feel like there is support for you guys. If you feel like you have no friends or family members, but there are people who will support you in this, okay? And maybe for some of you, you need to understand that you are the magician of your own life. You can create the reality you want. Yeah, sometimes things happen, sometimes things doesn't go the way we want, but you're very, very protected, and you're here for success, okay? This week I feel like you will understand that everything is in your hands. You have the resources to create your own reality. So meditate, ground your energy. That is very important. And for some of you, it's like a business, something about your business or career that didn't go the way you wanted, but finally you will be back. You will be back on track, okay? Yeah. And we have the reason. The mind is restless. Let your intellect control your mind, okay? So sometimes our mind stresses. Sometimes we overthink about things. Oh, if I do this, this will also not work. If you're overthinking, stop that overthinking. Trust, everything is going to be fine for you guys this week. You are the success. What I feel for you guys is that you are overcoming your disappointments, your broken heart, and you're moving forward, okay? And what else for my group number 2? What's coming next? Yeah, fork in the road. So yeah, I feel like you don't know whether you need to go left, what you need to do. You are very confused right now. This confusion is what is ending, and you will be victorious. You will know where you need to go. Okay, I feel like you will be given answers. So meditate, you will get clarity also. Okay, so I'm just feeling like taking one more card from this deck. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so they're telling you to be, look again, I feel like you need to meditate and don't think about your past, don't think too much about your future. Be in the present moment. When you are in this present moment meditating, if you be in the present moment, meditate, you will get your answer, whether you need to go left, right, or you need to take the straight path, whatever it is. So your confusion, you're getting clarity this week, and that might be your success for this week, right? Getting clarity. Sometimes all we need is answers, sometimes all we need is clarity, like getting out of the confusion. Maybe for some of you are questioning why this happened with me. You're going to get the clarity this week, and you will understand that you are the magicians and you can make anything happen in your life, and you are coming out stronger. Okay, that is the thing I'm feeling for group number 2. You're very strong people, understand that, and you're very protected also. Yeah, self-love, that is what you need to do right now this week. Take care of yourself, nourish your body, eat healthy. You're worthy. Do some mirror work, like talk to yourself, motivate yourself, because you are your own motivator. I feel like that. Okay, yeah, that's what I feel like. You are your own motivator. You can come out through dark times. You have that power. Not everyone has this power, but you have, my group number 2. You can overcome tough situations in your life. Yeah, sometimes we fall, but you have that strength to get up and move forward, because you are so protected. And you in the darkest times also you will find victory, like you will see the light. And yeah, that's what I feel like. If you're going through a dark period, the light is here because you're so strong. So be in the present moment, enjoy that moment. Yeah, it's very difficult when we are in pain to enjoy that moment, right? But you need to take care of yourself, motivate yourself, see the things that you love, talk to the people who you love, meditate. Don't try to control yourself. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like laughing, laugh. If you feel like screaming, scream. Okay, so let that emotions go. Journaling will be very helpful for you guys, like writing all your emotions down on a paper. That will help you a lot. So this week is like, for some of you, it's like you need to work like a little bit healing is what is happening. Your heart center is healing. Yeah, so don't think too much about your future and stress. So just connect with Mother Earth if it's possible, or if you can go to an ocean water body, and if you can go, just go there, relax there, spend some quality time with yourself, take some candles with you, or maybe if you have if you can have a spiritual bath, do that. Light a candle, pray, chant. That is all will help you. Okay, and understand you're the magicians. You can create your life. You have all the resources divine will give you. Okay, so that is all I have for my group number 2. Bye bye, take care guys. So group number 3, if you choose this flower, blue color flower, then this is your reading with me. So what is coming next week for you guys? Let's see. With this blue color flower, I feel your communication. If you're in this communication field, if you're like therapists, counselors, your voice is healing to other people. Okay, maybe you will receive some sort of communication that will make you happy this week. And I feel like your intuition is also going to be on point. So you're going to receive a lot of messages from spirit. Okay, that is what I feel for you guys. So whenever you get any idea, write it down. Okay, write it down, because sometimes we forget. So write it down whenever you get an idea, even if it's a crazy idea. Write it down. Okay, sometimes we don't know what we are thinking. Sometimes we get some crazy ideas and we're like, wow, will this work? So just write it down, because that idea or brilliant ideas are coming for you guys from spirit. That is what I feel like. So take note on that. Yeah, a lot of signs, a lot of numbers maybe you will be seeing. I'm seeing 111 for you guys. and 765. I don't know. I just saw that number 765. So if you want to Google it. So yeah, let's see what is your message. Wow, look at this, guys. Okay, we have first chakra Archangel Michael, and we have the number 35. It reduces to 8. So so maybe some financially some information is coming, some news about money or something like that, that will make you happy. A lot of this week is going to be very stable because Archangel Michael is there with you. And we have this root chakra. Root chakra is all about stability, you know, it's the base chakra. And so maybe for some of you need to work on your root chakra, but I feel like this week is going to be very stable for you guys. Financially it is going to be good, relationship wise also it's going to be good. And I feel like you work with Archangel Michael, you call upon him. If you call upon him, he is there with you, protecting you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your protection because he is there with you, okay, always. So call upon him. If it's possible, you can meditate on his meditations, because there's so many guided meditations on YouTube. So if it's possible, go for it and meditate. This week I feel like he is there for you, he is protecting you, okay. Maybe for some of you, you are getting back into fitness or something like that. Go. If you have joined the gym, if it's possible, just go and exercise. If you want to, yeah, something related to fitness, yes, you will be able to get that body you want, okay. So I'm just motivating you, like this is a message, like Archangel Michael is like, go, you can do it. If you want to lose weight, you can. If you want to gain weight, you can. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna shuffle today on camera. I haven't done that for a long time. So let's see. Yeah, for group number 3, what's coming next week for my... Okay, wow, King of Pentacles. Yeah, I told you something about your finances, or maybe you will get a good advice from someone regarding your finances. Yeah, an opportunity from someone. Okay, that's cool. Wow, we have Death, Rebirth, and look, 8 of Pentacles, back of the deck energy. I feel like taking that. So there is a change, like, yeah, you have been working hard on something. So if you are waiting for that opportunity, I feel you're going to receive that opportunity to make money. Yeah, maybe something, growth. There is growth in your financial situation. That is what I feel like. Maybe for some of you, there is an earth sign person who will give you some sort of opportunity. So think before taking action. That is very important. Trust your intuition. But yes, you have been working hard on something. Maybe there will be an offer for collaboration, and that will change things for you guys. Or maybe you will receive an idea that will change things for you guys. Maybe you are doing like some sort of rituals or something like that. Yes, that's going to help. But this week looks like you are focusing on your career, you're focusing on your money, and there is growth. For some of you, maybe your parents or maybe your spouse will give you good financial advice, and you will take that advice and work on it, and that will, like, things are transforming for you guys. If you have been working hard and you're not seeing that growth in your career, or you're not seeing that financial growth, what I see is like a financial growth is happening for you guys this week. You know, again, with this Archangel Michael, it's all about stability, security, right? Your finances, your relationship, everything is secured. And look, we have the green candle, and green candle is all about abundance, isn't it? Right? So maybe you are manifesting things, maybe you're using different manifestation tools, you're manifesting money into your life. If you're manifesting, if you're doing that rituals, I see that that's happening. Some sort of good news regarding money is what I see for you guys. But one message I'm feeling is like, don't take action very quickly. Just connect with yourself, trust your intuition, and then take action. There is a lot of changes happening for you guys with this Death and Rebirth. I just feel like clarifying this Death card. Why this Death card is here? Let's just clarify. Something is ending. Maybe you have been working hard on something, and you have not seen that much growth financially, and I feel like that phase is ending. or maybe you will change your direction, maybe you will do things differently, and this will work for you guys. Something about that also. There is transformation, definitely, but I feel like it's it's like your career is your passion, your career, that's the thing that is important for you guys. Okay, so let's see why Death card is here, divine. Please clarify that. Okay, yeah, we have 7 of Swords and we have Queen of Swords. Okay, so maybe okay, what I feel like is with the 7 of Swords, you know, yeah, this is some what I feel. Sometimes you feel like that things are not happening the way you want every time. Maybe you have self-sabotaged yourself, but finally you are coming in this Queen of Swords energy where you know what you want to do, and like a sneaky behavior, right? So you are getting rid of your sneaky behaviors, or maybe self-sabotaging behaviors that you have. Self-sabotage, maybe not taking action, maybe being afraid to take action, but you are letting go of that behavior of yours. Some sort of change. This energy is going away. 7 of Swords energy. If there are people around you who are like backstabbing, because of them you yes, for some of you it's like you are letting go of that toxic people. Okay, so this week is like a new birth. You know who you are. With this Queen of Swords energy, that is what I feel like. You're not letting in these toxic people. Yeah, you're putting a boundary. You know there are people around you who are jealous of you, and you're not letting them in. You're not taking their energies. You're protecting yourself, and that's why changes are happening for you guys. Something about that. So yeah, okay. So maybe there are people around you who tell you that you will not be able to make it. Oh, this thing will not work for you guys, and you used to trust them, and because of them you haven't seen growth in your life, and finally you're like cutting off these people, and you know you are setting a boundary, and you're not taking their energies, or you're not taking their thoughts. Sometimes we take other people's thoughts, right? You're not taking their advice, but there is someone who is going to give you good advice though. Maybe your father, maybe your brother, or maybe your spouse, or maybe a person who is elder than you. Good financial advice. Take that advice, I feel like. If you feel like, always trust your intuition, guys. And you're very intuitive also with this blue flower. That is what I feel. Look, if you have been working with moon phases, if you have been manifesting with moon phases, there is some sort of manifestation coming this week. Small, you will see some growth, some sort of growth if you have been working. And for some of you, it's like you're understanding who these people are, who these toxic people are, and you're not taking their energies. Okay, so let's see what else. But definitely you're growing. Okay, you're getting clarity also. So let's see what else for my group number 3. Where are the messages for my group number 3? What's coming next week? Wow, look at this, the miracle. Yeah, miracles happen. Look out for the miracle in your life. So sometimes there are so many miracles that happen in our life. Maybe for some of you, you will ask a sign from spirit and you will receive the sign, right? There is so much miracle. Miracle shouldn't be always big one. There are so, if you look, you know, if you change your perspective and if you look for miracles, you will see miracles everywhere. And this week especially, you're going to see a lot of miracles, and you will be so happy about it. Okay, so look for miracles. Okay, look out in nature. You will see so many miracles, right? So that's going to be important. So connect with nature, and you will be very proud of yourself. Like, you're cutting these toxic people and you're speaking your truth, and you'll be so proud of yourself. And you'll be like, oh my God, I have changed so much. Maybe in the past you couldn't do that, but finally you are becoming very strong. You know, when we, it's like when we understand who we are, we know. No one can put that negative energy into us, right? So this is what I feel for you guys. Yeah, buy the book. Yeah, something regarding like finances, you need to go by the book, right? Maybe someone will give you advice, or maybe something that you need to do the way it should be. Like, you can follow someone. Maybe if a person gives you advice, take that financial advice. Yeah, something about financial advice, or maybe you're doing a work, maybe take advice from people who are experienced. Okay, And of course you have the capability to lead people also, but right now I feel like you need to read a book, or you need to take advice from people if you're doing something new. So take advice. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Okay, if there are people around you who can help you, just ask for guidance, or maybe you can ask guidance from Archangel Michael and you will receive support, I'm sure. So let's see. And we have elephant. Elephants are all about wisdom, right? It's very lucky also. So yeah, there is a lot of wisdom coming your way. You're getting clarity. Wow, look, blossoming. Look at the green color. Okay, if you can wear some green dresses this week, next week, go for it. And look, we have 33 number also. A 33 number is all about connection with spirit, connection with ascendant masters. It's all about communication. Again, communication. A lot of communication is happening. Maybe if you are doing some work, if you provide services, you're getting like a lot of clients or something like that. That is also possible. You're going to blossom. If you're into music, you will be appreciated for your music. People will be like, oh, you sing a song, please. Like, they will be appreciating you guys. Like, look at the flowers. So if you have been doing that hard work with this 8 of Pentacles, you have been putting out a lot of hard work, you are going to blossom. You are going to receive that that financial growth, like that recognition, okay, for your work. So yeah, and flowers is all about, for me, flowers is all about happiness. And interestingly, we have this flower today. So yeah, so that's what I feel for group number 3. So just get one advice for you guys is like to get away from toxic people. If someone is demotivating you, if they don't like your idea, that doesn't mean that it's not a good idea. So maybe for some of you, if you have plans, don't talk about your plans to everyone. Don't give your ideas to everyone. Keep it to yourself. Okay. So yeah, that's it for my pile number 3. Bye bye. Take care.